love to cremate in December. Right, you can write every day while others do. Some people love it while others not so much.
No matter how you feel about writing, you need to know how to form a sentence. When we are writing, Mrs. Young always talks about what words we use, like noun, adjective,
Mrs. Young also wants us to add extra detail.
and punctuation. When we say we're finished, we often get a look that says, "Have you really?"
That means we freeze, edit, fix, and make changes.
So much to think about. Our assembly is all about making a sentence.
Sit back and enjoy. We hope you will be entertained.
The scene is in a large paddock behind a milking shed.
Hi, I'm Doug. I'm a definite article, and I'm going to make a sentence. First I need a noun. Follow me. Dog, log, or bog. I know, dog. Hello, I'm Doug. I was herding the cats in the milking shed, and now I'm here. What's this all about? I'm making a sentence. You're the second word. The dog. That's not a sentence. What do I do? You're right. We need a verb.
I'm lips. I'm a verb, sometimes called a doing word.
The dog lips. Not bad, but what kind of dog am I? What do I look like? Oh yeah, we need an adjective. Can we have more than one? There are lots of ways to describe me. Let's try!
I'm brown. I can describe a cup of things.
I'm small. I describe the size of something. And I'm far. I'm a place and can be.
Can describe the origin of things.
And together we describe the dog! Brown, small, farm dog lips. Something's wrong here. It doesn't sound right. The adjectives are in the wrong order. There is a correct order, you know. Brown, small, change places, please. That's good. Right, I'm off. My work here is done. I have cats around.
Wait a minute, dog. The sentence is still not very interesting. It doesn't say what you're living.
Excellent point, Tips. We need another now.
How do you? I'm Cow. I was on my way to the milking shed and now I'm here. What's this all about?
You're here because we're making a sentence.
The small brown farm dog lips cat. Well, that's not very nice. It doesn't even sound right anyways.
You're right, Cal. We need another word.
Who are you? I'm Up. Pleased to meet you. That's better. Can I go now? Hang on a second, dog. I'd like to know how you live. Hello, I'm Slimy. I'm an adverb. I describe how action is done.
The small brown farm dog slides with the cow.
Great. Can I go here? How about giving me some description? I'm not just any cow you know. My milk is very creamy. What kind of cow did you think I am? I'm Frisian. I'm a strong noun. I told the reader what kind of cow is. A Frisian is a black and white cow.
Hey, how old are you, Cal?
Oh, don't you know? It's rude to ask a lady her age. I'm back in time, so I'm a young cow, of course. Hi, I'm young. Oh, so is our teacher. Well, the sentence is there. But we all know that sentence is finished with a full stop. Where is it?
Hi, I'm full stop and I have an important job. I say when the sentence is finished.
I would like to know why you met me, dog.
We can add a subordinate clause here to extend our sentence. What is a subordinate clause again? Any relation to Santa? Oh, very funny. A subordinate clause is a group of words that don't make sense on their own. They need the main clause to go together.
Hi, I'm because, and I'm a subordinating conjunctive. That means I'm connecting the subordinate clause to the main clause of the sentence.
She is walking to Rollies.
I'm she. I am a police. I am is. I'm only a small word, but very. I'm a verb. Walking. I like walking. I'm two. I'm an adverb. Make sure you spell me correctly. I say how slow the walk is.
I'm flowy. I'm also an adverb, the opposite of quickly. Do not rush me.
And together we make a subordinate clause. Slowly indeed, but we need a comma.
Oh, no comma. I'm here the other way. I told the lady to take a short pause.
When she was walking too slowly, the small farm dog slowed next to the young freedom cat. Stepping personal slowly, but I'm not sure you live in the sentence anymore. How about a different advert?
Hi, I'm Gently. I'm an adverb.
Sorry, slowly, but I'm taking over.
Young Frisian cow or that young Frisian cow? Which sounds better?
I think that sounds better.
Sorry, I'm taking over here. So,
Hey, where'd you wind up the cat? Oh, you certainly wasn't.
just trying to create a picture in the car. I'm a preposition. I say where something is located. A small letter close to it.
Hi, I'm the third one.
And I'm Greg. I'm a noun.
All we need now is to have something special. Now I think we're done.
Ta-da!
Yeah, you should have some excitement for this sentence. Try full stop. I'm taking over. I'll repeat that. Because she is walking too slowly, the small brown farm dog gently lifts the young Frisian cow on the leg. We are done. Great work, everyone. Thank you for your help.
Hold up! Wait! We're not done yet!